You know that I took command of the multinational brigade task force 15 July, even though Spain took the role of the framework nation 1st July. Well, my main effort since then was to implement an effective organization here. Working with the Slovenian soldiers has been amazing. I didn't have any experience working with the Slovenian armed forces before. But I will say that it's been easy and rewarding because the Slovenian soldiers are committed and dedicated professionals that work every day in improving their skills. So they are actually an example for all of us.
Potem sem pač dokončal srednjo šolo, potem sem šel na faks. Tam sem se odločil, da pač za ta čas šolanja, da lahko jaz grem v rezervo. Zdaj sem tukaj na misiji.
Drugi pripravi bombo! Ide!
Pritegnilo me to, da je delo predvsem zelo dinamično, veliko se dela na fizični pripravljenosti in veliko je kolegialnosti, ki je ne vidimo na ostalih delovnih mestih. Ker imam zelo rada živali, se mogoče nekoč vidim kot vodnica vojaškega psa.
Ajde, Kramar! Ajde! Zadnja!
To je že moja druga misija na Slovaškem. Želja za naprej, rad bi postal tankist Slovenske vojske ali pa, kot sem zdaj, v pehoti.
Pazi fosfor! 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15!